This was Origami Music Craft World. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'm going to show how to make this face mask. This origami face mask, all you need is a piece of tissue paper, square tissue paper, sorry, two big rubber bands, and one stapler. But before you make this, you need to wash your hands. And I'll be right back, washing my hands. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. So I've also dried it. And before we start, we need to clean up this table with the sanitizer. This sanitizer was not but this was made by your family members, and I also have dried, but I'm using the main. Clean it. There are so many sanitizers. Okay, so I think that's okay. And here we go. Alright, so you have the piece of paper, pull it down like that. And the same thing like that. You have to make it like a paper fan fold. Turn it over and fold that edge like that. And turn over and again. This is a very easy model. Make sure you guys like my video, share my video. Don't forget to subscribe. You have to just do like that. Again. And again. And finally, again. Now, what you have to do, take the rubber band, right here the rubber band, take it like this. What you have to do is put it onto that, and at that much you have to leave and fold it. Fold that. Fold it. And now we have to staple it. Grab the stapler, staple. It's stapled, and the same thing you have to do in this side. I'm making this mask for coronavirus. It's a very bad disease. We're all trapped in the house. It has been spread in many parts of the world, like USA, Russia, United Kingdom, India, and there are more. It has actually come from China, and the most it has been on Italy. Alright, so now it's made. Now watch it very carefully. We have to open it like this and make it like this. It should be a hole. And we're done. Now let me show you how to wear it. Alright, so I've opened my older mask, and now I'm going to show you how to wear this mask. Okay, so I've showed you have to open it. It should be like that, and you have to pull it out to open and make it a big hole so you can stick your face. Make sure you don't have sweat in your mouth, otherwise it might get you. Okay. Make it a big hole and stick it on your face. This is a very popular tutorial, but I will make another video of how to make an origami mask. This is made out of paper, only a few folds. It's also origami, but this is very popular and it's hard to wear. I will show you how to make an origami mask with a paper. Next video. Oh, this is ridiculous. Guys, I don't know why it's not happening. You should try it. Pull it. And yeah, we should do it like this and pull it and manage. And I think, yeah, this is your mask. Still safe, so don't go out. Stay safe for coronavirus. It's a very bad disease. Make sure you share this video with your friends because the mask is very expensive nowadays due to demand. You should make this mask. If you don't have a mask, you want a mask. Make sure guys share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the notification bells so you don't miss a video. Bye everyone. Bye.